Hi, Keva. It's great to see you. I hope you're doing well with all of your connected learning and all this craziness. But I just wanted to give you some feedback on your post for this week. I think you did a great job. Really looked at a lot of different aspects of constructivism. Um, just going over kind of what constructivism is as a whole. You talked about how it's not a single theory, and it really focuses on how our information is processed. And I really liked your what is constructivism visual with the little boy playing blocks, as you can see right here on the screen. I think it really broke it down a little bit further for us and kind of just told us geez, sorry. That was my watch. Um, and it just kind of showed us what it really was and broke it down for us. So, you talked about how learning is active and constructive. Students are building upon prior knowledge. Students are actively making associations and solving problems. And kind of that new learning is compared to what they already know. Um, and it just kind of went over also kind of our important contributors to constructivism, which goes back to how it's not just one single theory, but a lot of different people worked on um, making constructivism what it is today. Um, and then you kind of went on to talk about, the different instructional models. So, we have our problem-based learning, we have our case and scenario, and so on and so forth. And I liked your picture, or that circle thing that you made. And it's really important to remember with this constructivism approach, it's not teacher teaching student most of the time, right? The student is really the most important and has the most pull in this approach. They are working to solve a problem and pulling from different sources or different activities and that sort of things. And it's really giving them a chance to be proud of their work and collaborate with other group members. So it's definitely more of a student-based approach, which is important to look at. And then I like your example that you gave with the water cycle, and how, you would teach about the water cycle in class, and so they would have that previous knowledge. And then with that problem-based learning, you could take it a step further and kind of go out into the community and, students in the back of their minds need to know maybe a problem, why maybe the river in their community is, um, you know, dirty, or what we need to do to clean it. And so, really, just like going out into the community and researching firsthand and seeing firsthand, um, what's going on, and really, it would help them to learn a little bit more, actually seeing things. So I think, that's a great example that you gave, maybe to learn in the classroom first so they have that previous knowledge, and then kind of take it a step further with that problem-based learning, give them a problem, they have to figure it out then, work together to solve that problem. So once again, great job. I loved hearing from you, and I hope you have a great weekend.